So this video is in continuation to introduction to aldol condensation. We have already done that aldehyde or ketone in the presence of base like NaOH, they form aldol, and which finally undergo condensation to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. Now we will take example and we will do the mechanism of this reaction in this video. So let's start with we are doing aldol condensation. So the example which we will take is acetaldehyde. So this is acetaldehyde. Now what will happen in the presence of dilute NaOH? What will happen, because we have OH here and this hydrogen is alpha hydrogen, this is main functional group, and this is alpha carbon and this is alpha hydrogen. So this OH will take away, this is acidic, very acidic in nature, so this will take away this H positive from here, and what will form here, that is carbanion. So your next will be formation of carbanion. Here it will be CHO and negative charge. This is carbanion, which will act as a nucleophile here, and it will attack at the positive center because it is a nucleophile, so it will try to find out the positive center. So here two molecules are required. So in the first step this happen. Now in the second step what will happen, this CH2, so CH2 CH double bond O, so this with negative charge here. So what will happen, we need another molecule of acetaldehyde, and because there is electronegativity difference, so here like this, partial negative charge, partial positive charge, and this is your second aldehyde molecule, and you have electrophilic carbon here. Because of the presence of the electrophilic carbon here, this carbon will get attached to this one. So here it will get attached to this carbon because it is having a partial positive charge. So in the next step what will happen, write down this molecule as such. So here what will be there, CH3, you have CH, and then O, oxygen will gain a negative charge. So then attach this carbon to this. Okay, write down the hydrogen here downwards and then attach this carbon here. So when you attach this one, it will be CH2 C double bond O H. Now this is formed. Now what will be the next? Next you need water, H positive, OH negative. This is water, which is H2O. Now H positive from here will get attached to this one because we are using dilute NaOH, so we are having water there. Okay, so H positive will get attached to this one. So the next will be formation of CH3, then you have COH here, H, CH2, C double bond, and like this. Now look at this molecule here. This is the main group, main functional group. So this is the main functional group, and this carbon is alpha to this main functional group. This carbon is beta to this one. Okay, so to this one. So at beta position you have OH. So here aldehyde as well as OH group both are present. So aldehyde as well as OH group are present, and we name it as aldehyde. For aldehyde ALD, OH के लिए we use OL, so we call it as aldol. This is aldol. At beta position we are having OH and we are having aldehyde as a main function group, so this is aldol. Now what happened next? Now when you further heat it, So at that time removal of water will take place, and this will result in formation of, when water is removed, from where water will be removed, OH from beta position and H from here. So the next will be formation of, write on this as such, CH3 CH, and here now from beta position OH will be removed, okay, and from alpha position H will be removed. So removal of water, H2O. Okay, so here double bond will be there. Now at this position you will get double bond, unsaturation at alpha beta position. So and next you have CH, then you have CHO. Now this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. And because you have here one alkene group and you have aldehyde group, we also call it as ene for alkene and al for aldehyde. So this is your aldol condensation product, and you can name it as but. 4 carbon are there, so it is but 2 ene al. Ene for alkene, al for aldehyde. Now in exam you won't write in this way, directly you can write like what is happening. This was the mechanism, but you need to keep in mind the mechanism. Many questions come from this topic. So like directly you will write 2 molecules of acetaldehyde and you need dilute NaOH here, resulting in formation of aldol, which will be CH3 CH. So you keep in mind this one, that one molecule will be like this, and here you will have OH, then CH2 CHO, second carbon ion will attach here. Then on heating remove water, and this will result in formation of enol. So this is aldol condensation product. Now let's take example of acetone or ketone. So let's take example of ketone now. Let's take example of acetone, CH3CO CH3. This is propanone or common name is acetone. So when acetone is there, so you have to write 2 molecules, they will react. So it will be CH3CO CH3 plus second will be CH2CO. So write on H like in this way. So this is your alpha H that will be removed from here. So in the presence of barium hydroxide, so what will happen? This H will be removed from here. This will be carbanion which will be generated. This will get attached to this carbon. So draw the next molecule, that will be CH3 from here, CO negative, and then I'm writing CH3 here. Then it will be CH2 C double bond O and CH3. So now you add hydrogen to this one. So when in the presence of water, what will happen? H get attached to this one, resulting in formation of COH CH3 CH2. Write on the rest of the molecule as such. Okay, just put hydrogen here. So in the next step, what will happen now, that you identify this is your alpha carbon, this is also alpha, this is beta. So you are having now ketol. Usually it is because we are taking ketone, so it is ketol, but we will call it as aldol here. So this is your first product which is formed here. Then remove OH from here and hydrogen from this carbon. So the next will be heat and removal of water. We call it as condensation. So in the next step, this product will be formed. CH3, remove OH, so double bond here, H is removed from the next carbon. You have carbon here, COCH3. So this is again alpha beta unsaturated compound which is formed. Directly you can write that when you are having two molecules of this one, so directly two molecules of this one, so you can write in this way, two molecules of CH3COCH3, that means propanone. So this in the presence of barium hydroxide will form this is ketone. So this is ketone, what we call it as aldol condensation product only. So this is ketone, and then finally what will happen when you heat it, removal of water takes place, resulting in formation of aldol condensation product, and here we can name it as at fourth position. So this is your fourth position, you have methyl. So this is first, second, third, fourth. So at fourth position you have methyl, and these are 5 carbon, so pent. At third position you have ene, and at second position you have one. So 4-methyl pent 3-ene-2-one is the IUPAC name of this compound, and this is alpha beta unsaturated compound.